The NAV 101 commercial tire changer from Totalkare is the perfect choice for busy workshops with a high throughput of tires. Its unique design and four-roller system means the process of dismounting and mounting tires could not be simpler. With the full changeover, in fact, the full process can be completed inside 60 seconds. Each bead breaker is supported by two separately controlled arms, which in turn have two rollers, one conical, which pushes on the bead, and one cylindrical, which pushes the side of the tire. All tire changes from Totalkare can be supplied with alloy protection to preserve the wheels. Speak to our team today for a quote or to arrange a demonstration.